Hey everyone, I know I've been gone for a super long time, but I'm gonna make that up today. So, first of all, I changed my world while I was gone. So first of all, I have these elevators, and then second, I moved everything. I also got this an anvil. I upgraded this. I got some emeralds. I got 2 emeralds now. I got some potions. I got a lot of things, including this cake and some golden apples. And I just got a lot. And second, my personal favorite, I have this beauty. It's a vending machine for animals. So I don't know what I'm gonna title this video exactly, but anyways. So first of all, I have my chicken, which up here is called Chica Crush. Do you know what Crush is? It's like orange soda. So I got my chicken in here. Have you laid any eggs recently? No. Okay. I'm stuck. Because I don't usually... That hurt. I also lost another two... Or wait, no. The video didn't get posted yesterday. I lost 2 teeth in the past few days, and last night my tooth didn't get picked up, so I didn't get paid, so I'm getting a ton of money today. Second is the sheep. I'm scared to enter it because the cat. Oh wait, no, not the cat. He keeps escaping. So I have my cow right here. Hello, cow. Goodbye, cow. So, well, I actually got raided a few days ago. Just about over here, somewhere near the circle. And I got bad omen. So I just drank some milk and it got cleared away. So I kind of wish I didn't, because rating would be a good video. But anyways, a lot has happened lately. So I got Shane Plays Jr. over here. I also named him. I got a bunch of lapis from mining. So I'll go ahead and put this in here. Put all my enchanted books that I made. Also, guys, I'll show you how I made them. Like, I wasn't using cheats. This is how you make them. So, my friend Rosalie, anyway, I mean, it's kind of a survival world, but anyway. So, over here is my, I don't even know what the name is, enchanted table. So, what I do is I put the book in there, and then I do this. So, projectile projection. I'm breaking 1. I'm going to put that on my sword. Or no, I'm breaking 2. So I'll go ahead and put that on here. I need to kill a lot of creepers if I want to do what I want to do today. So, Slice Boy, I'll put my unbreaking. Perfect. So, Slice Boy is good now. And I'll put that in there. I also did a lot of mining. Like, look at all of this. I got a bunch of redstone, no surprise, because it's everywhere. I got I killed some slimes, but I need to get... Ooh, I got a nautilus shell. I need to find a treasure map to use that. No difference in here. a lot of things that I don't really need or use yet. But this I kind of need right now. So I'll show you what I mean. I need to get some dye though, or a dispenser. What do I need for that? See, like, I'm already out of space. And I just got this chest. I can put that in there. Then this is full. And so is this one. Yeah, I know, I have a lot of stuff. Though that's not really something I want to brag about right now. Sorry about my voice. So I need to break this, and I guess I can use that for something later. So again, I need space. So I need to make another chest. That's why I broke the thing. And then why don't I have actually this is pretty rare actually. So this can go in here. And then pretty sure I have some oak around here. Some oak wood. You know, I think I can just dump everything out. I don't really need this, so goodbye. Just you can't keep anything except for something that I like that's valuable now. I need a lot of space though today. So yeah, I need creepers. And here's why. So if I get some lapis, then you'll see. So creepers drop gunpowder, right? Actually, let me check how to make a dispenser. Actually, you can probably tell from the title of the video. Yeah, I am. Well, you'll see. Oh, yeah, I forgot. So, I'll get my lapis. Pick that up. And then, did I drop my gunpowder? Please stand by. Beep. Okay, found it. So, if I go to this, then I can make this. No, this. So that's a firework star. I don't know how to use firework rocket. Oh, paper. Well, I mean, I guess. What do you mean I don't have any sugar cane? Though I have a lot. So let's make a ton of paper. I need this for the sake of YouTube. 21. So I can only make one of these. And that's why I need to get some creepers. I also need. Oh wait, it's night. Creepers come out at night because they're mobs. Ooh, that broke my legs. Okay, so um hold on. I need redstone, and now I am ready. Okay, so it's turning night, and soon it will be time. Alright, so once I pull this lever, fireworks will happen. Nothing happened. These are supposed to explode, right? Excuse me for a second. Okay, guys, I did it wrong. I can only make 3. Okay. I made this because I thought I would be able to make 2 extra, but I didn't. Let's do this. Wait. That's better. Alright, let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh. Well, I mean, that was kind of cool. Let's set off the rest. Wait, can I just set these off in my hand? Oh. Well, that was still pretty cool. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.